Do a video tour today at the mill. Everything's just covered up waiting to be milled, and there's a reason why we haven't been on the mill the last few days besides the coronavirus. But there's some inventory that's stocked up down here. If you look, there's another one over there. There's some logs up in there. There's over here on the rack some red pine, some ash and stuff. That's just on the rack. So far this spring, early spring I guess, late winter, there's some elm and maple and walnut and hemlock. There's some good stuff in there. Logs. This is stuff that we accumulated over the winter. It's down here that we haven't milled yet. Look over there, there's a bunch of posts, 4x4s, 6x6s, whatever. There's some walnut in there, some cherry. It looks like a piece of ash, but there's these logs here. Look at all this cherry here. Look at all that cherry there. And here's a northern white cedar. That walnut. Getting a lot of black walnut. Cedar. There looks like an oak. Some more, look at that cedar back there. It's this one. That cedar. Look at that log. It's every bit of 12 foot. There's black walnut again, that big one there. There's some more walnut. More walnut, more walnut. Look at all that out there. I'm panning the yard. This is the stuff that's been coming to us from the camping conference. All this. We buddied up with them. We're making furniture for them and doing some milling as they're building their lodges, and they're giving us timber. Yeah. These are one of my favorite logs. I'm going to make some outdoor benches like this so it can go around either a fire pit or a table, which I got a lot of that to make some tops. Making a whole outdoor. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I really love, look at the hollowness in there. I could make a really nice table with some epoxy in the center, or a really nice planter for an indoor theme. Bring the outdoors indoors. There's a nice log that will go right with it. This log here, I'm not going to do much with it, except I'm going to figure out how to preserve it, because I love the look of that. That would look awesome in under somebody's pergola, around someone's outdoor pit. Here's another curved tree. And then we got 4 more loads. We've already received 2 loads of trees from them, from camping conference. Look at all that walnut. It's all walnut. Of course we're splitting it. There's supposed to be 5 trees of this. I get 2.5. Camping conference gets 2.5. But there's supposed to be 4 more loads of this coming. Christmas in April. We'll be busy this summer. We'll be cutting this all up, milling it all up, planing it all up, whatever, building furniture out of it, whatever, countertops, tables. It's here, people. You want anything? Come give me a call.